Comprehensible recliner chairs comparison. Portable recliner chairs have become a staple for outdoor enthusiasts, offering comfort and convenience for activities ranging from camping to lounging on patios. These chairs combine ergonomic design with portability, making them a must-have for relaxation on the go. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 top-rated portable recliner chairs from List Them. The Amazon Basics Zero Gravity Lounge Chair stands out as the budget-friendly option in this lineup. Designed with a powder-coated steel frame and durable textiline fabric, it offers a lightweight yet sturdy build. The chair features a reclining mechanism with 2 positions and a padded headrest for added comfort. Its compact foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, making it ideal for casual outdoor use. While the chair performs well for its price, it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models. The 2-position reclining mechanism, while functional, limits customization. The 300-pound weight capacity is adequate for most users, but the seat width and depth may feel restrictive for larger individuals. Overall, this chair is best suited for budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable and straightforward option for occasional outdoor. List number. The SUTEC Zero Gravity Chair is a mid-range option designed for durability and comfort. With a robust steel frame supporting up to 440 pounds, it caters to a wide range of users. The chair features an upgraded locking mechanism, allowing smooth adjustments between 90 degrees and 170 degrees for a true zero-gravity experience. The inclusion of a 4-inch thick removable cushion, padded headrest, and cup holder enhances its usability and comfort. In testing, the SUTEC chair provided excellent stability and ergonomic support, making it suitable for extended use. However, its 20.2-pound weight may make it less convenient to carry over long distances. Additionally, the cushion, while comfortable, may retain heat in warmer climates. This chair is ideal for users who prioritize durability and comfort over portability. List number. The PoPoR Reclining Camping Chair offers a versatile design with a detachable footrest and multiple adjustable positions. Its stainless steel frame supports up to 264 pounds, and the breathable mesh fabric ensures comfort during extended use. Additional features like a headrest, cotton cushion, and side pockets make this chair a practical choice for diverse outdoor activities. During our evaluation, the PoPoR chair excelled in portability, folding down to a compact size and weighing just over 12 pounds. However, its weight capacity and narrower seat dimensions may not accommodate larger users. This chair is best suited for those seeking a lightweight, multifunctional option for activities such as picnics, fishing, or casual lounging. List number. The YomiFun Oversized Zero Gravity Chair is a premium offering with a focus on luxury and spaciousness. Featuring a 29-inch wide seat and a 450-pound weight capacity, it accommodates a variety of body types. The chair comes with a full set of accessories, including a padded cushion, footrest cushion, cup holder, storage bag, eye mask, and earplugs. Its aluminum alloy lock allows precise reclining adjustments from 0 degrees to 170 degrees. While the YomiFun chair delivers exceptional comfort and support, its 25-pound weight makes it less portable compared to other models. Additionally, its higher price tag may not fit all budgets. This chair is ideal for users who value premium features and are willing to trade off portability for enhanced comfort and durability. List number. The #WeJoy 2-in-1 Reclining Camping Chair offers a unique combination of adjustability and portability. With a detachable footrest and 4-position adjustable backrest, it caters to various relaxation needs. The chair is made from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a PE coating, ensuring water resistance and durability. Additional features include a cushioned pillow, storage bag, and cup holder. At 5.1 kilograms, the #WeJoy chair is relatively lightweight and easy to transport. However, its assembly process may feel cumbersome initially. The chair is best suited for users who want a versatile option for both lounging and upright seating, particularly for camping trips and other outdoor activities.